Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you on how to find draft videos on YouTube. So let's get right into it. First things first, open your YouTube app on your mobile phone. Click this plus sign icon at the center of the lower part of the screen, then add a video. You can upload a video from your device or create a video from your camera. Now, exit and select this save video and exit. In that way, the video will save in draft. Now, to find draft video, just go back again to this plus sign icon. Make sure to select short, then right here on the right side, click the drafts icon. Then you'll see here the draft videos. Now, you can delete or post this video if you want. So, that's how to find draft videos on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos.